Starting now, Dagmar is doing her half loop up, where she will cap off and remain in inverted flight. She will hold inverted flight until the wings are no longer producing enough lift to stay up. She's now entering the dreaded inverted spin. Exiting the inverted spin, Dagmar is pointing straight vertical upwards, using all of her horsepower through this thin air. Entering 3/4 rolls, she's performing the hammerhead maneuver as she sees the world. Crossover from her left side, going straight down through her own smoke. Remember, as she nears 200 miles an hour, when she pulls up into each maneuver, she is pulling close to or over to 6 Gs. As she enters the vertical up, she is entering the torque roll using all her horsepower to try to stay in the air. Falling back towards the ground, Dagmar recovers. Crossing over from the left side, Dagmar enters another vertical up where she will show us the Humpty Bump. As you pull these maneuvers, you have to remember that gravity is working against you. Pulling up to 5 Gs, meaning everything in your body weighs 5 times as more. All the blood in your head gets rushed towards your feet. Entering a 45 up, she rolls inverted. Entering a reverse half Cuban. Showing us a 4-point roll. It's a roll where you break it into quarters and emphasize each quarter.